What up, guys? So today we got a yz250f motor. It's locked up. We're going to be doing a top end tear down. We're going to tear the top end down, see exactly why it's locked up, and then in the next video we'll be doing a bottom end tear down. So homie got a Vortex kit. It's a little picture. You can pause it if you want, of everything that comes in the kit, all your gaskets and seals and valve seals and pins and whatnot. We got oil engine seal kit, so we got some more seals, timing chain kit, timing chain silencer kit. Let's see, transmission bearings, got main bearings and seals. I'm not sure what this goes to, but it's bearings for something. It's probably like a water pump rebuild. Yep, water pump kit. And then we got in here just the piston and the rings, I assume. Yeah. So we got the piston kit in here with the rings. That shit looks crazy. So I'm gonna leave this packaged up. And then of course you got the main thing right here, the crankshaft. Boom. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in on this thing, and then we'll do the editing later. So back. All right. So that's the kit. Let's jump to it. I'm gonna just set this puppy down here for now, and we'll jump right into it. So I cracked the drain plug because it was draining oil, so let me open it up so it can drain. It's a piece of metal right there. Right there at the... That looks like a piece of the piston, or the piston ring. Hopefully he didn't drop valves, that would suck, but the motor is locked up, so I guess we'll kinda see what happens. Okay, that's draining. Let's jump to these top bolts. I am gonna crack them free with the drill, but I'm not gonna put them back on with the drill. So just keep that in mind. Don't ever put stuff on with the drill. Taking it off is different. Cam chain guide on the top looks good. Let's see, cam chain's a little tight, but that's the intake one. Exhaust side, the cam journals, you should say. That's the intake cam. It looks a little scarred right here on these edges, like on the journals or whatever. This other cam out real quick. This one looks about the same. Ooh, that is not good, bro. Take some photos real quick. Okay, shorter bolts go on the outside, longer bolts go on the inside. Make note. Cylinder doesn't look bad. Ooh, it's got a little groove in it. We might have to hone this puppy with some dingleberries. This piston though is cooked, homie. I mean, the sides are actually really not bad. It literally got locked up from those little things on here, and that's what locked up the motor. I don't know where that could have came from unless it came in through the valves. Let me hit the valves with a light real quick. Oh, that one's missing. That one's missing a valve guide on the far right. This one right here. It's a valve guide drop down. That's pretty cooked, to be honest. So I'll probably just leave the piston in there and then pull it apart all together like these ones. This one's from a Grom, a 2018 Grom, and then this one's from a KX100. Looks fine. The bottoming seems fine. It's got a little back and forth, no up and down. Really just top end. Peace, y'all. I'll be back with the bottom end tear down.